MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Ramba kajelah Kuanrat ke sama mentakasngi ulahiyar Shariboy District ban Plie Ïaka ya arteli ki building Thymmai jongki C&RD block kebakuntop ya ka Bhoirymbong C&RD block bat ka building tu Thymmai jongka umling C&RD block la Plie ningkong ya ka building jongka Bhoirymbong C&RD block kabadon hakasnong lumdai kla hakabala Aiti hauba Kolbert Shadam kum kajing burom yu namar baude Shipai bala Shongthait bar boladon benta banyakun hakatma Indo Pakistan haus nem khandai spa rupsan baros nem khandai spa nyupuei bahading kata Menteri Ramba ulali ban Plie Ïaka pat sai ka umling C&RD block kabadon hakasnong umling hakane kasngi bala Plie kiti artli building Thymmai jongki C&RD block Hariboy district la senranlang dau Aiti mondal Menteri Plie Ïaki C&RD block nangta ki MLA Kariboy ki bakuntup yauba daman bait lamare MLA Kamroy uba Charles Mangar MLA Mahoti u Dr. Celestine Langdo MLA Umsning baruba Meral Bonsim MLA Nongpoh lembat ki wei ki officer nalor ki block development officer habakran hakane kasngi Kuanrat ke sama ulaong bakane ka sarkar kadai ka bakwa ban kentiu ya ka jela badai halo kata kanong baka sarkar kalaile an pendep ya ka ka bakilokular Shipai ba namta ban warra ya ka roy ka par ka jelahi berkawei ulai turu bakari boy district kadai ka badon bok bagata kalong halor ka jingdon jong ka kating sun ha umroy hakaba halor ka te ka kating sun ka sarkar jela kalayo ban penmang tingka kata hadu sans paklur namta ban penhe ya ka kenang bakiling sun ki bahe kila banwan poi ha umroy airport kane kan salong no shen kaban salong ka jingmontoi Kipai ba Hariboy district bat hari kasihi berkawai namar lang ba ka airport dan penyeso sekiwi part ki airport ke badon hakaleng ki jaka hapo kari India habai de part bakajing Plie ki te ki building Thymmai Kuanrat ke sama ulong bahaka jela ki don hadu saupun rutri ki building badang sina Thymmai hakabala penmang hadu sispa lipsan klur tengka bat omtang kata ka sarkar kala penmang pisabiang sa saupo klur tengka na banta ban penbalut ya borok ki building jong ki blok kenang ban pensuk rekam ya ki officer bat bakinang la ban penpoi ya ki kampun roy ki snong ki tau ki badon hakaleng ke jelahi kawai nakaliang ki MLA Hariboy district haba ai jingkren hakate kasngi kil ai jingiro ka bakrau ya Kuanrat ke sama kum Menteri Ramba ka jela badru ya ka sarkar jela ki balala un penyo bat Plie Ïaka ya kite ki building jongki C&RD block ka badai namta ka jing tristom ka jing start Kuanrat ke sama bat kuwi ki kampun roy namar wat hapneng ka jing sakren sakantho haki babun kiliang Henry utrebej la kam bakata kalong berkentiu ya kisnong kitau ki badon hakaleng jong ka jelahi berkawai
C&RD department which reaches to the people to take a stock and get the benefits of the people in the grassroots level. That's how the construction of new block has come. CM sir has told me that when he was elected first time from Shalshala constituency, when he visited the block headquarters, seeing the dilapidated and pitiable condition of the block headquarters, he had taken a promise that whenever he will get an opportunity, he will convert this block into a very beautiful and accommodative and workable space for the people. And that's how it is not only Shalshala block. Today we are saying that almost all 46 blocks are being given by the same type of buildings. It is an investment of around 135.5 crores which is given purely to the rural areas. Now in this block, I would request the video also to take the opportunity to serve our people in a better manner. We have all the branches that can be accommodated in the blocks. Even our self-help groups, the members belong to the BSCs and also the members who are under training under SRES or NRLM programs, or even Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana can now easily say, sir, thank you very much for giving this opportunity for us to serve our people in a better manner. It would not be possible. Years have gone. We have not seen such a bold decision taken by a chief minister to convert all the blocks into a dynamic space for the people to work and get benefit. It is because of your vision it has been achieved.
And get the funds for these. And sometimes, of course, we should look at our own revenue and we have to do this. But I'm very happy to tell you that we decided, it was a very difficult decision. I told my team, if we don't start, we will never get there. Let us move, let us start. And today, as I said, there is a sense of satisfaction in my heart when I see all these different projects being complete. Yes, you must go and see. I came to Bhoirymbong CHC, right? CHC. I came to Bhoirymbong CHC the other day, and you must have seen the kind of the infrastructure that has been created out there. It's state of the art. This kind of infrastructure was never there before. You would have to go to a district hospital to get those kind of services. But now we have the infrastructure. Of course, a lot more needs to be done. We will be working towards it. More manpower is required. More infrastructure is required. We are working on all of that, but our journey has begun and it is going well. And once again, as I said, I would like to congratulate the entire team for the great work that is going on. While I say that, I also would like to really congratulate our C&RD minister because in the last 2.5 years, we have really been able to transform a lot of the rural areas, especially when it comes to the PMAY houses. And last year and last to last year, record houses were sanctioned and implementation of that is going on. I'm so happy to hear about the Awas Plus, that we have 280,000 now listed. Just to share with you, Awas Plus is a scheme where Government of India is allowing those families and individuals who were not in the survey list when the survey was done in 2011, who are missed out, are getting an opportunity now to list themselves in the Awas Plus, and through that we will be able to provide the houses to every single beneficiary who deserves to get these houses. So this is great news, maybe one of the most happiest news that I've heard in a long time, and I really would like to urge the department that we should follow up wherever support is required from my side. I'll be happy to push it so that we can get these funds sanctioned in the days to come. I also would like to share with you just one more thing before I conclude, is that Ribhoi district as a whole, we are seeing a large amount of transformation, as you're aware, that's taking place. Two very important infrastructure projects are coming up that is going to transform Ribhoi district like never before. And one of them is the airport expansion project. And I'm happy to inform all of you that it is very much on track. We have completed different aspects of land acquisition. We are in the final stages of giving the environmental clearances. Airport Authority of India has already floated the tender for the extension of the runway and further extension of the building and the terminal, and other facilities will be followed soon. It will be a project of close to 500 crores. And once this airport expansion is done, we will be receiving aircrafts directly from all the metros. That means all airlines, the commercial airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and all the other commercial airlines will be now able to land directly in Shillong. And that means a lot. It means, number one, of course, that our people don't have to go all the way to Guwahati. It also means that the tourists and other passengers can come straight to Umroi, to Ribhoi, and then to Shillong. It means that our local economy, whether it is our taxi drivers, whether it's the different people involved in the transport, accommodation, all of these things will grow. And also the whole economy around the airport will grow, because there will be many establishments that will be coming up, many opportunity for many resorts to come up, and there'll be a big boom for the tourism sector out here. The second big information which we all know is the express highway that's going to come up, the 25,000 crore plus project, which is the largest project that Meghalaya has ever seen, and it is the first expressway project in a hilly terrain that is being taken up by Government of India. It is really, you can say, a crown jewel project for us, and once that happens also, you will see a huge traffic that will be going through Meghalaya, and obviously we will become a major transit state, and that would mean that major economic activities will be taking place, and the benefit of that will go to the local people. This idea was, came to my mind when I was an MLA, and it was in Silsila block. When I entered it, actually it was, you can't even call it a block. It was just one Assam type, just one unit. And every single department, whether it's the agriculture part, or whether it's the veterinaries, or whether any of the other departments for PMAY, MGNREGS, you name it, everybody was in one room. And the BDO's office was, I think, just enough for maybe 2 to 3 people to sit. And the building was about to fall. And I asked myself, how do you expect the officers to be able to serve our people when they don't even have a place to sit and place to work? And that's when I told myself that whenever God gives me the opportunity to make a difference, this will be one of the most important projects I will take up. And I thank God for that opportunity, for being able to make this difference. I thank our minister and our officials who have worked tirelessly to make this happen. And today we are in the process of inaugurating many blocks. After this also we'll be going to inaugurate the Umling block, and in fact there are another 5-6 blocks which are on the pipeline. But this has now become into a larger purpose for us. We realized that it's not just the blocks. Every single aspect of administration or service that is provided by the government, we found gaps in all of these different sections. I can't tell you how depressed, I should say, I was when we took over in 2018 and I saw the condition of everything, and I looked at this whole, kind of Mount Everest that we had to climb, and I told all our officers that, well, we have to start somewhere. We cannot just keep looking and say that we don't have money. I'm sure that if we take up this challenge, we move forward, take one step at a time, we will achieve the goal. It may take us time, but we will achieve it. And I'm happy to share with you that 1 or 2 steps we started today has taken us through a very long journey.
MeghalayaPost.news